Today, I am reviewing the MCombo Dual Motor Power Lift Recliner Chair. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The first thing to address with this chair is the dual motor system. Most entry-level power recliners use a single motor that coordinates the footrest and the backrest simultaneously. That means if you want your legs up, the back has to recline. The MCombo breaks that cycle by allowing the backrest and footrest to move independently. For anyone who spends a significant amount of time in a chair, this is a massive benefit. You can sit upright while your legs are elevated, or you can recline the back fully while keeping your feet down, or you can lay back completely flat. Having that level of customization allows you to find a position that actually alleviates pressure on your lower back or legs, rather than just forcing you into a preset angle. The size of this chair is explicitly geared toward big and tall users. The seat width is 26.4 inches, which is quite generous. If you have ever felt squeezed into a standard recliner, this extra space will be immediately noticeable. It is recommended for people between 5'7" and 6'2", which covers a large portion of the population that usually struggles to find furniture that does not feel like it was built for a child. When you sit down, you have enough room to adjust your posture, cross your legs, or simply stretch out without hitting the armrests immediately. This sense of openness is exactly what you want when you are trying to relax after a long day. One of the more unique features included here is the dedicated home button on the remote. We have all had those moments where you are reclined, someone knocks at the door, and the process of getting back to an upright position feels like a multi-step chore. By pressing this button, the chair automatically moves back to the upright seated position in about 16 seconds. What is smart about this implementation is the logic behind the movement. The backrest moves first, followed by the footrest, which is a safety-conscious design choice to ensure you are balanced before the chair finishes its cycle. It is a small convenience, but it is one of those things that becomes a staple of your daily routine very quickly. Then we have the integrated massage and heating functions. The chair features 8 vibration points scattered throughout the body of the seat, along with a lumbar heating element. It is important to temper your expectations here. This is not a deep tissue massage chair that you would find in a spa. The vibration is exactly that, vibration. It is meant for relaxation, not for working out deep muscle knots. However, the lumbar heat is a nice touch, especially during the colder months. You can run the heat separately from the vibration, and the timer functionality allows you to set it for 10, 20, or 30 minutes. It is a great way to warm up your lower back while reading a book or watching television. For those who treat their recliner like a command center, the armrests include cup holders and dual USB charging ports. This is a practical addition that helps keep your space organized. You do not have to worry about reaching for a side table to grab your drink or find a wall outlet to charge your phone. It keeps your device nearby and keeps your beverage secure. While the plastic cup holders might not feel like luxury materials, they serve their purpose perfectly well. Assembly is often a pain point for heavy furniture, but this unit arrives in 3 separate boxes. The design is intended to be tool-free, which is a significant relief if you are not particularly handy, or if you are setting this up by yourself. The wiring design is meant to be straightforward. The company claims a 20-minute setup time for a novice. While your actual time might vary depending on how fast you can maneuver the pieces, the fact that you do not need a toolbox is a major plus. Because it ships in 3 boxes, it is much easier to manage the weight and move the individual sections into your living room before you click them together. The build quality centers on an FSC-certified wooden frame. When you are buying furniture of this size, stability is paramount, especially since this is also a lift chair. The motor operates smoothly, and the lift mechanism is designed to help those with limited mobility stand up without straining their knees or back. It is a slow, steady, and controlled lift. It does not jerk or shake, which is critical for safety. The warranty is also a decent indicator of what the manufacturer stands by. With a 2-year limited warranty covering the reclining and lift mechanisms, the electrical parts, and the upholstery, you have a reasonable safety net if something mechanical goes wrong within the first couple of years of ownership. Now, we have to talk about the reality of owning this piece of furniture. It is large. If you live in a cramped apartment or a small studio, you need to measure your space carefully. Even though it is comfortable, it has a significant footprint. If you are someone who prefers a very soft, sink-in type of cushion, you should know that this chair is designed for support. The foam is firm enough to hold its shape over time, especially given the weight it is intended to support. If you like something that feels like a soft cloud, you might find this firmer than you expect, but for long-term comfort and posture, firm support is usually the better choice. The dark gray fabric is a neutral choice that fits in most living room aesthetics. It is a durable-feeling textile, but like all fabric furniture, it is susceptible to spills. You'll want to treat it with a fabric protector if you plan on using those cup holders for drinks frequently. Because the chair is designed for big and tall users, the fabric is stretched over a wider frame, so it will naturally see more tension than a smaller chair. The upholstery is generally well-fitted, but keep an eye on the seams if you are utilizing the full reclining angle and lift functions daily over the course of several years. Who is this chair for, and who should consider avoiding it? If you are an older individual who needs a lift assist to get in and out of a chair safely, or if you are simply a taller person who is tired of standard-sized furniture that makes you feel cramped, this is a strong contender. It fills a specific gap in the furniture market by combining the lift function with the dual-motor recline capability. If you are someone who likes to watch movies or read for hours, the independent control over the foot and backrest is worth the investment alone. On the other hand, if you are looking for a compact recliner that disappears into the corner of a room, this is not it. It is a large, heavy, and imposing piece of furniture. If you are looking for a true, medical-grade massage experience, you'll be disappointed by the vibration-based system. That feature should be viewed as an added perk for relaxation rather than a primary therapy tool. Also, if you prefer the look of genuine leather, the fabric upholstery might feel like a step down, though fabric is often more breathable and comfortable for long-term seating than lower-grade synthetic leathers. The lift mechanism is a lifesaver for people with mobility issues, but the speed of the motor is intentionally slow. Do not expect it to move quickly. It is designed for steady, safe movement, not speed. This is a good thing for safety, but if you are an impatient person, you might find the process deliberate. The home button helps with the speed of getting back to a seated position, but the lift-to-stand motion remains a slow, calculated process to ensure the user is always in full control of their stability. One thing you might encounter is the complexity of the wiring. Because it is a dual-motor system with massage and heating elements, there are more wires than in a simple recliner. When you assemble it, take your time to ensure all the connections are snapped in fully. If the chair is not performing a specific function, the first thing you should always check is whether a wire was bumped or not fully seated during the setup process. It is a common point of confusion, but once it is set up correctly, it is usually a set-it-and-forget-it situation. The environmental aspect of the FSC-certified wood is a nice detail, as it means the wood is sourced from responsibly managed forests. It is not something you will see or feel, but it is a mark of quality regarding the materials chosen for the frame. For a big and tall chair, the frame integrity is everything. You want something that will not squeak or sag after a few months of use. The heavy-duty construction of this frame appears to be the primary focus of the engineering, and it is the main reason why the chair feels so stable when you are in the lift mode. Ultimately, the MCombo R7891 is a functional, purpose-built recliner. It does not try to be a fashion statement. It tries to be a comfortable, reliable place to sit. It solves the biggest complaints people have about recliners. They are too small, they have awkward reclining limits, and they're difficult to get out of. By addressing these three issues with a dual motor system, a wider seat, and a reliable lift mechanism, it provides genuine value to a specific user base. If you are in the demographic that needs this extra space and support, it is a very practical addition to your home. If you are just looking for a standard chair and do not need the lift or the oversized frame, you could probably find something smaller and less expensive, but you would be sacrificing the specialized features that make this chair stand out for those who actually need them. Always consider your specific measurements, the layout of your room, and how much time you intend to spend in the chair before making the commitment. It is a large piece of gear, but for the right person, it provides the kind of relief and convenience that makes a significant difference in daily comfort. Take the time to clear your space, assemble it carefully, and make sure all the motor functions are fully tested, and you will likely find that it lives up to the requirements you have for a daily use recliner.